Hey everyone, welcome back to Daily English Practice. I'm Anna.
And I'm David. It's awesome to have you here again. Today's topic is one that every English learner can relate to. Why speaking English feels scary and how to overcome that fear.
Yes, even if you know grammar, words, and pronunciation, sometimes your heart races when you need to speak, right?
Exactly. You freeze, your mind goes blank, and you think, oh no, I'll sound stupid. But don't worry, that's normal.
So today, we'll explore why that fear exists, what's happening inside your brain, and most importantly, how to beat it and speak English with confidence.
Let's start from the beginning. Why do so many people, even advanced learners, feel scared to speak English?
I think the biggest reason is fear of judgment. People worry about mistakes, accents, or not being understood.
Right. It's not actually about English, it's about ego. We're afraid to look less smart, less capable.
Exactly. But here's something powerful. Even native speakers feel that when speaking in public, so you're not alone.
Yes, I once had to give a speech in front of 200 people, and my voice was shaking. But when I accepted the fear and spoke anyway, it disappeared after 2 minutes.
That's what learners need to understand. Confidence is not no fear. Confidence is fear plus action.
Let's talk about what happens inside your body when you speak English.
Oh, yes, the fight or flight response. When you feel nervous, your brain thinks you're in danger. It releases adrenaline.
Exactly. Your heart beats faster, your palms sweat, your throat feels tight, but you're not in danger. You're just speaking another language.
So, the trick is to calm your body before speaking. Try breathing deeply, smiling, and telling yourself, I'm safe, I'm learning. It's okay to make mistakes.
Beautiful. It's like retraining your brain. The more you speak, the more your brain realizes, hey, this isn't scary.
Let's break down what usually causes that fear. I see three common triggers. One, perfectionism, wanting to say everything correctly. Two, comparison, feeling worse than others. Three, past embarrassment, remembering one bad experience.
Exactly. Let's take perfectionism first. If you always aim for perfect grammar before you speak, you'll never speak.
True. Fluency grows from imperfection. You learn by making mistakes.
And comparison. Ugh, that's a big one. People say, my accent isn't like theirs. But everyone has an accent. It's part of your identity.
Yes, your accent is your story. It shows where you come from. It's something to be proud of, not to hide.
And that third one, past embarrassment. Maybe someone laughed once and now you avoid speaking. But that one moment doesn't define your future.
Exactly. Think of it as a language scar. It heals when you speak again and have better experiences.
We received some messages from our listeners about their speaking fears. Let's share a few.
Sure, here's one from Maria in Italy. I can write well, but when I speak English with my boss, I panic and forget everything.
Ugh, I've heard that a lot. Maria, remember, it's not about memory, it's about pressure. When you speak to someone you respect, you feel judged.
Exactly. Try practicing those conversations alone first. Use your phone to record yourself speaking as if you're in the meeting.
Yes, that builds muscle memory. When the real moment comes, your brain recognizes it and stays calm.
Another one from Alex in Thailand. When native speakers talk fast, I lose confidence and stop trying.
Good one. That's not fear of speaking, that's fear of not understanding.
Exactly. The solution? Don't try to understand every word. Focus on main ideas. Say, sorry, could you repeat that more slowly? Or, let me see if I understood correctly.
Those are confident responses. You're not lost, you're communicating.
Okay, time for action. Let's share 5 exercises our listeners can try this week to beat their fear.
Exercise 1. Mirror talk. Every morning, look in the mirror and talk for 2 minutes about anything: your breakfast, your goals, your day.
Exercise 2. Record and replay. Record yourself speaking, then listen kindly. Don't criticize. Notice improvement and pronunciation patterns.
Exercise 3. The mistake challenge. Set a goal to make 3 mistakes every day. It trains your brain to stop fearing them.
Exercise 4. Friendly conversations. Start small. Talk to classmates, shop assistants, or friends online. You'll realize people are kind, not critical.
Exercise 5. Power phrases. Memorize simple sentences that show calmness, like, "Give me a moment to think." That's an interesting point. "I'm not sure, but I think."
When you use these, you sound confident even while thinking.
So, to everyone listening, speaking English will always feel a little scary at first, but fear means you care.
Exactly. The goal isn't to be fearless, it's to be brave. Every time you open your mouth to speak English, you're growing stronger.
And remember, mistakes are proof that you're learning.
You've got this. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and speak from your heart, not your fear.
Thanks for listening to Daily English Practice. This was Episode 7, Why Speaking English Feels Scary and How to Beat the Fear.
See you next time.